Welcome back in our channel. Today we will talk about first order ordinary differential equations. The first type is linear equations. Remember the standard form: y prime equal minus p of x plus q of x, and then we rearrange the equation to get this one, still in the standard form. Some examples of the linear equations: just we rearrange the equations, taking common factor or moving from one side to other side of the equations, and we get this. Method of solution. The best method for this linear equation is integrating factor. Assume we have a function I of x called integrating factor. And this function satisfies the equation I of x times p of x equal I prime of x. This is equation 2. Now multiply equation 1 by ix, the function that we just assumed. So we get ix times y prime plus I of x times p of xy equal I of x times q of x. So we sub equation 2 and 3, this equation and this one. So we get this equation. So if we check the left side, this side is a product rule. See? Just we rearrange the equation. And then we integrate both sides of equation 4 with respect to x. So we got this. After integration, we will get this equation. This is the constant of integration. So here, what we do, we subtract integrate of integration from both sides. So this one will be cancelled, and this one, the constant of integration, if we write it minus C1 or plus C1, is still the same. We will get the right answer at the end of the solution. So we just add plus. And this is the general solution of y. Now we derive the formula for the integrating factor itself. We divide equation 2, which is I of x, p of x, equal I prime of x by I of x. So we get this equation. Now integrating both sides of this equation with respect to x, we got this the same, just we put the symbol of integration. This is the integration result, ln I of x plus C2, this is constant of integration, equal this side. Again, this one, we can subtract C2 from both sides And again, as before, the constant of integration, if we write it plus or minus, still the same. We will get the right answer at the end. So we put it plus, and this one cancel. Then we raise them to the base e, both sides. If you remember, e a plus b equal e is a, e, b. So this is the same, and we took e to the power c2. We because it is constant, so we put it in the front of the integration. Now, this is the formula of I of x, c3e to the integral p of x dx. We substitute this formula in the general solution that we got for y. And we just put this. This is the I of x times q of x plus c1. And here c3e to the integral of px dx. We divide by c3, so this one will cancel, and this one over c3. So c1 over c3 is still constant, so we denote it by k. Is this the same constant of c1 over c3 constant, and k is still constant because we need one constant. And here, this is the general solution formula, the final one. Thank you for watching my channel, and see you in the next videos.